Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome guys. We will start the course of Python. Welcome to my channel. Hello world. We will study in this course the following paragraphs. Variables data types. Variables are containers for storing data values. This is illustrated by the following drawing. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space, or you can say to create a variable. A Python variable is created automatically when you assign a value to it. The equal sign equal is used to assign values to variables. The operand to the left of the equal operator is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right of the equal operator is the value stored in the variable. For example, x equal 1. For example, var1 equal 100. Create an integer variable. var2 equal 1000. var3 equals array. Printing Python variables. Once we create a Python variable and assign a value to it, we can print it using print function. Print var1. Python variable names. Every variable should have a unique name. Like A, B, C, a capital variable name can be meaningful, like color, age, name, etc. There are certain rules which should be taken care while naming a Python variable. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number or any special characters like dollar or etc. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore E, Z, 0 to 10, etc. Python variable name are case sensitive, which means name and name are two different variables in Python. Python reserved keywords cannot be used naming to the variables. Data types. Python data types are used to define the type of variable. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, a person's age is stored as a numeric value, and his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. Python has various built-in data types which we'll discuss within this tutorial: numeric, string, sequence, binary, mapping, boolean, set, none, etc. For example, of int variables, of long variables, of float variables, of complex variables. This is all we call a numeric variables. Now we are going to have a practice. We are using VS Code. For example, the variable name equal Khalid, the variable age equal 10, score, engineer, etc. We are going to run this code. We have a result. The name is Khalid, and my age is the value of the variable age. Now we are having an exercise. Display the sum of 5 plus 10 using two variables, x and y. Now we have the correction of exercises. X equal 5 and print x plus y. Thank you for watching. To the next time.